Vinayak, you have come out with your own numbers, haven't you? India Post Live's own exit poll. Can we play that on the screen while you explain that to us with your logic?
Yeah, actually, we
How
talked
did
to
you
lot
do?
many.
Yeah.
We talked to lot many people. We conducted a poll on Facebook. We verified it with the numbers of the different parties that they were having with themselves. We talked to various sources in different parties. We
Okay.
matched the data with the turnout, and we asked questions there and some data from the election commission. Then we came out with the final this
So
without it.
Chanakya gave 51. You are giving between 37 to 43. Rather, we are. Okay.
BJP never got to double digits in Haryana. One. Two, BJP don't have a face. No leader to be projected as CM in Haryana. They don't have any party cadre. Yes, there is cadre of RSS, but there is no cadre for the BJP there in Haryana. So I believe if BJP gets closer to the majority, in a way, if the party gets from 35 to say 42 seats, it will be good enough. It will be a really good performance by the BJP. And I believe BJP started their campaign with Haryana Janhit Congress with Kuldeep Bishnoi. They started with a strategy to consolidate all the non-Jat votes against the traditional Jat votes who vote unanimously mostly for the party they tend to choose. Uh, in some elections they voted for Inelo, in other elections they voted for Congress, and in this election it was the Inelo who got the default uh, anti-incumbency vote which was there for the Congress, which was there against the Congress. So that incumbent vote was cashed by Inelo and not for the BJP, because the rural in the rural heartland in the Bangar area of Haryana, which has been the decisive area for Haryana politics, which has given most of the chief ministers, Bhajan Lal, Bansi Lal, Devi Lal, Chota Lal, no, that is a Jat dominated area. And if we see the voter turnout there, Elanabad got 89%. In Elanabad, the turnout was 89%. No, in Tosham it was 82%. In Fatehabad it was 87%. So these are the people who vote in flock. And there were a lot of reports of booth capturing. And Inalo is known for the booth capturing, and their voters also vote in a chunk. So
Okay. Let's.
plus there was a sympathy factor from Om Prakash Chautala, who was put behind the bars
Bars. Yeah.
uh, by the CBI. He came out on a bail for around a couple of weeks, and people thronged in his rallies. So we need to keep this thing in mind.
Okay, so
Yes,
he has a different perspective. Vinayak, while Wankhede sir and Anita ma'am is.
I have a point to make.
Can I just play the vote shares also out while you talk? Please respond to that. Let's play the vote shares out for you on your screens. Yeah, please respond.
Vinayak, similar reports were there also in Lok Sabha elections in UP, that Mulayam Singh's party has captured lot many booth and heavy voting has been done. But I think that will not work this time. People have decided to vote for a particular party. The problem with Chautala's party is that it is confined to a particular belt. He has 2-3 districts, 4 districts with him. The Huda has got some 2-3 districts with him. Haryana is scattered among these regional parties. People are fed up with this thing. Otherwise, see what last time has happened. Congress was not in majority, so ultimately the Kanda has to come forward and become a home minister in the state. People are fed up with this.
Youth today, and they have got an entirely different outlook towards, in terms of expectation from politicians today. So you need to understand that. You need to understand the aspirations with this youth has today. So when you talk about, when you do, the problems of detailing, going into the micro things, ये जाट उसके साथ जाएगा तो बनिया उसके साथ जाएगा तो सब बैकवर्ड उसके साथ जाएगा. These things are still relevant, but not to that extent as they used to be 10 years back or 20 years back. So you need to understand that. We at BJP have understood it very well, and that is the reason, apart from the Narendra Bhai's image and the promise which he has, beholden to the voters, which is, translating into wholehearted support from voters to us. You need to understand that particular thing, which I just mentioned.
I agree with to a large extent. I agree with him about Chautala has come back, you
Yeah,
know.
yeah.
There is a huge sympathy factor for him. The Jat factor is still very important. I wouldn't say that. You cannot brush it aside completely.
Right.
But it is also true that the Modi factor is working there. It's overriding that factor.
And that's
Small-
limited.
Yeah,
That's
but
not-
just
point in
just a
Jat.
second, Ashok. Can I just complete what I'm
yeah.
saying? What I'm saying is that even by his what his survey has shown, I think his survey shows about 43 seats, if I
BJP.
remember it right,
BJP.
for the BJP.
37 to 43. Right.
Which is also a
Fantastic. That's what he
very,
said.
very good.
He said they've never crossed double digit, and
it is
this
excellent.
itself is
So
phenomenal.
even if you don't take 51 as
Yeah.
the benchmark, what he has said,
Chanakya has
but
said, yeah.
what Chanakya has said, but 43 or 40 is also excellent for
Excellent,
BJP
right.
because they have never come into double digits, you know.
Right.
So and they've always had to depend on allies.
Yes.